Hello friends, my name is Vijay Kumar and we are studying refrigeration and air conditioning. In the last video, I have explained about the reverse Carnot cycle and concept of reverse Carnot refrigerator and reverse Carnot heat pump. In this video, we will do some numericals based on the concept of reverse Carnot refrigerator and reverse Carnot heat pump. Let's see here. First question. A refrigerating machine working on reverse Carnot cycle. This is a machine which is working on a reverse Carnot cycle. Okay. Takes out 2 kilowatt while working between temperature limit 300 kilowatt and 200 kilowatt. And it is taking 2 kilowatt heat. Then find the COP and power consumed. So see here. This is TH and this is my refrigerating machine and this is TL. Okay friends, this refrigerating machine is taking heat. How much heat? 2 kilowatt. This means QL is 2 kilowatt. It is taking heat from this storing space. Okay. And this machine is working between the temperature limit. It is written. What is higher temperature? 300 Kelvin. And this is lower temperature, 200 Kelvin. Okay friends. Now we have to find out COP of this refrigerator and power consumed. Because this is the power input. Okay friends. Now you know very well, if a refrigerator is working in a reverse Carnot cycle, if a refrigerator is working in a reverse Carnot cycle, then that refrigerator shall have maximum coefficient of performance. So what shall be the coefficient of performance for this machine? COP of refrigerator is equal to TL divided by TH minus TL. In the last video I have told this. Okay. We will put the value of TL, TH here. What is TH? 300 Kelvin and TL 200 Kelvin. So this will be 200 divided by 300 minus 200. So this will be the answer will be 200 divided by 100. So COP of this refrigerating machine shall be 2. This is the COP of this machine. Now what is saying? Power consumed. In the video of coefficient of performance and refrigerating capacity and power input, I have told COP can be written like this. RC divided by power input. Both terms shall be in kilowatt. I have already explained in the previous videos. So COP of refrigerator I got. What is this? 2. RC is refrigerating capacity in kilowatt. How we got this? We multiply mass flow rate of refrigerant with the refrigerating effect. So I have to calculate refrigerating capacity only. Sorry, I have to calculate power input. So refrigerating capacity 2 kilowatt, it is given 2 kilowatt. Refrigerating capacity in kilowatt, it is given 2. Okay, so 2 divided by, we have to find out power consumed. So power input we have to find out. From this, what shall be the power input? Power input will be 1 kilowatt. Okay friends, in this question you have to just remember the things that this refrigerating machine is working in a Carnot cycle, reverse Carnot cycle. So we have calculated COP by this formula. Okay friends, so let's see and second example. So friends, in this question it is given the ratio of minimum to maximum temperature. It means TL and TH in a Carnot cycle is 0.8. In a Carnot cycle, the ratio of minimum to maximum temperature is 0.8. If a heat pump is operated between the same temperature limit, then what shall be the COP? Now, it is given that now this is our TH and this is heat pump. This heat pump is operating between these temperature limit. Okay friends, so the COP, how we will calculate here? In this question, you have given TL divided by TH. The ratio of TL and TH is given as 0.8. Now, you know very well that if a heat pump is working in a reverse Carnot cycle, then the heat pump shall have COP TH divided by TH minus TL. I have already explained this formula in the last video. Okay friends, now we will put the value here. TL is equal to 0.8 TH, we can write this. Now we will put the value of TL in COP of heat pump. This is TH divided by TH minus 0.8 TH. The value of TL we have put. Now TH divided by this will be 0.2 TH. Okay friends, this will cancel out and it will become 5. Okay, so COP of heat pump shall be 5 if this heat pump is working in a reverse Carnot cycle. This is the COP of heat pump. Okay friends, so in this video we have seen two examples. One is for Carnot refrigerator, second one is for Carnot heat pump. Thanks for watching this video and have a good day.